May I help you? Where is your destination?
Yes, I need to go to Jakarta. How long will it take from this bus station? Is this Arjasari station?
Yes, this is Arjasari bus station. It takes about 22 hours from here to Jakarta.
What time will it leave?
It will leave at 2:30 p.m. so you just need to wait for 45 minutes.
Do I have to change bus after arriving in Jakarta?
After arriving in Lebak Bulus terminal, you have a lot of options to reach your final destination. You can get in a Transjakarta bus, Metro Mini, Bajai, taxi as well as ojek. You can ask the bus driver there.
Thank you, I will buy the bus ticket then.
Wait a moment please, I process it quickly.